Hi, this is Dr. Krishna Priya, physiotherapist. Welcome to KP's R Health, helping you to help yourselves. Low back pain is almost everyone's problem. The information and exercises in this video, if followed properly, will definitely help you in relieving your low back pain. Before knowing the exercises, let us know about low back pain briefly. It can be caused due to poor postures or prolonged postures like sitting, standing, prolonged activities like weightlifting, stair climbing, driving, or any increased work stress. Some of the major structural changes in the body that are causing low back pain can be: number 1, tight or weak muscles of your abdomen, lower back, and your hip region. Number 2, compressed nerves. Number 3, disc prolapse. Number 4, change in position or malalignment of your pelvic bones.
In low back pain related to posture or prolonged activities, abdominal and back of hip muscles become weak and low back and front of hip muscles generally become tight. Nerve compression can be due to tight muscles, decreased joint spaces in the lower back spine, and herniated disc or disc prolapse. Alignment changes in these pelvic bones due to change in muscle forces can also cause low back pain and other issues.
Now that we know the causes of low back pain, let us know the simple exercise solution for this problem.
Tummy tuck in, sit or stand comfortably, take a deep breath, breathe out, pull your tummy in, hold for a few counts, 1, 2, 3, relax. Again, breathe in and breathe out, pull your tummy inwards, hold and relax. The hands are placed just to feel the movement of the abdomen in and out, not to push the tummy in. Do not hold your breath while doing the tummy tuck in. Please continue normal breathing.
For buttock squeeze, sit in a comfortable position, take a deep breath, breathe out and squeeze your buttocks. Hold it for a few counts, 1, 2, 3 and relax. Relax for a breath. Again take a deep breath, breathe out and squeeze your buttocks. Hold the contraction of your buttocks for a few counts, 1, 2, 3 and relax. It has to be maintained for a few counts. Start with 3 and you can increase the count to 5 or 10 depending upon your comfort. These two exercises, tummy tuck-in and buttock squeeze, improve the strength and tone of your abdominal and buttock muscles, which generally become weak in low back pain. The rest of the exercises we are going to see are stretching exercises. They stretch your tight muscles and also can release the compressing forces on the nerves.
For this stretch, sit straight, put one leg over the other as shown, bend forward from the hip, feel the stretch, hold for a few counts and come back. Similarly, on the opposite side, fold your leg, keep it on the other leg, bend forward from the hip, feel the stretch at the back of your hip and relax. This stretch is found to be very effective in nerve compression in the lower back, or commonly called as sciatica. For stretch on sides of lower back, sit comfortably, place the hands as shown. With one hand, hold the chair, lift the other hand, bend to the opposite side, let the body go sideways, feel the stretch at the sides and relax. Similarly, on the other side, hold the chair with one hand, bend to the opposite side, maintain the hand upwards, let the body go sideways, feel the stretch and come back.
Strength and mobility, both are important for your lower back. The exercises we are going to do not only stretches your tight muscles but also improve the mobility or the movement of your lower back spine.
For spinal twist, move slightly forward in the chair. Hold the chair as shown. Twist your upper body towards the backrest of the chair. Hold and relax. Other side, hold the chair. Twist yourself towards the backrest of the chair. Hold the twist and relax.
If you have pain in the center or on both the sides of your lower back, you have to do these stretching exercises on both the sides of your body. But if you have pain only on one side of your lower back, do these exercises on both the sides of your body and you have to repeat one extra set on the painful side. Trust me, these exercises make a great difference in relieving your pain and other symptoms.
For this exercise, bend your back, bend your neck, take your hands back. While you move your neck up, straighten your knees, neck down, legs down. Neck up, legs up, neck down, legs down. This exercise is a very good mobilizer of the nerves from the head till the toe. The blood circulation to your entire back, that is your neck, back, legs, is improved with this exercise and thus helps in reducing pain and stiffness of the back.
If you cannot feel the stretch when you are doing it for the first time, please go back to the instruction video and follow step-by-step instructions to feel the stretch. They will help by lengthening the tightened muscles, strengthening the weak muscles, relieving the compression on the nerves, thus helps in spondylitis, sciatica. But in case if you have any disc-related issues, please contact your therapist before starting these exercises. Simple tips to relieve low back pain are: 1. Follow a good posture in any activity that you do. 2. Take frequent breaks during your work time to relieve your stress on particular regions of your body like neck, upper back, lower back, legs, etc. 3. Do these desk exercises. 4. Whenever you are lifting weights, bend from your hips and knees. Take a wider stance. Keep the weight near to your body. Maintain your back always straight. This is very, very important. Hope these tips and simple exercises help you in relieving and preventing low back pain. Please share with your family members, friends and colleagues so that it might help them too. Please subscribe to KP's Our Health for more informative videos helping you to help yourselves.